Hey guys, welcome back to this episode of Beyond the Shaker. I'm Alan.
And I'm Biden.
And today we got a treat for you. We're gonna make for you the smoky chipotle chicken sandwich. We had this chicken in a salad.
It was absolutely delicious.
It was an accidental kind of thing. That's how the best things happen, do they not, Poppy? Now we wanna put that in a sandwich. We're gonna make her delicious. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. You ready? First things first, nothing major. Oh, did you hear her? Yolanda came out, but he said.
So you know, we have Yolanda. If you want to know who Yolanda is,
she's posted this weekend.
Go with TikToks.
She's gonna own the TikTok. Hashtag we care about these guys. Season this with salt and pepper.
I am gonna cut the chicken in two because we're gonna make two sandwiches, and I'm gonna flatten this.
Flatten it.
Guys, I'm using this because we don't have what's the name of that tool.
Like the meat tenderizer hammer.
We have to be creative.
You'll have one soon though. We have so generously cut in half and flattened this chicken. And now we're gonna start to make our marinade, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a tablespoon of chipotle and adobo sauce. All right, so I'm gonna cut this up.
This thing is flavor like you guys don't have.
You have no idea. Oh my God, so much flavor.
We discovered it one day in a recipe, and then
he discovered it one day, and we have not gone back ever since.
Yeah, that thing is delicious.
So I put it just in a bowl. All right, so I need a little bit more of this sauce. Just a little bit. It's up to your taste.
We're gonna add 2 garlic cloves to this.
Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Okay, we're gonna use 1.5 teaspoons of lime. So we believe that the whole lime itself should be 1.5 teaspoons. So cross fingers.
If not, it's gonna be flavorful.
That is something I love to do. Put both half back in there and squeeze them one more time just to release a little bit of those oils.
He's very smart and resourceful. I learned a lot from him. So we're gonna use half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Smells like a pizza. Makes you want a hot dog real bad.
I remember that song.
I try to do my Paulette. It's like the 4th of July.
4th of July.
Makes you want a hot dog real bad. And let me do stiff the band. Snap.
Now, one of our favorite ingredients, cumin. We're gonna use half a teaspoon. Wow. There's a reason behind this.
It's an inside joke that you'll never know.
You will never know what it is.
A little more salt. A little more pepper. Take these from me. We're just gonna mix it all together.
It smells amazing.
It smells so good.
Wanna remember this? Save it.
Save it, because oh my gosh, if you cook chicken without this, I don't know what you were doing with your life. Safety first in this kitchen. I hate touching raw chicken. I despise it.
He doesn't like it.
I don't like it. It's weird. It's weird. All right, so we're taking our cut in half flattened chicken titties and we're putting them here in this adobo sauce. Listen, just move them around. Make sure every piece of this chicken, all of this has this wonderful flavor on it, guys. I'm telling you, don't leave any part out. So everything's got to be there. So we're gonna let this sit for just 5 minutes, kind of, because it's gonna be there. So we'll see you in 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so while our chicken is marinating, we're gonna make ranch because that's the sauce that's gonna be on the sandwich, okay? We love it. Either make it or don't, go get your own, it's whatever you wanna do. I'm taking one big heaping country tablespoon of mayonnaise. We don't need a lot, it's for 2 sandwiches.
I'm gonna do just the same with sour cream.
And I wanna thin it out just a little bit with some heavy whipping cream because we can't do the milks.
And mix it.
We're gonna take our ranch seasoning, we use Hidden Valley, and once you put it in there, it's gonna thicken it up a little bit. We don't want it crazy thick. This is gonna be a sauce to go on our sandwich, oops, or on our cutting board. Either or, it's gonna be good. Now, so we got about a tablespoon.
This is our original recipe. As a matter of fact, Hobby has designed other, which also includes, for example, avocado. Jalapeno too. Go to our quick tips and you will learn a little bit more about that.
We've got 4 pieces of bread. We're making 2 sandwiches and we're gonna toast this bread, okay? No big whoop, oven on broil. We're only gonna toast one side because we are relying on the other side to soak up this ranch, okay? All right, guys, so while we're waiting on our bread, we're gonna start searing our chicken. That's been marinating for about 10 minutes, if I'm to be honest. About 5 minutes per side, guys. Okay, so our bread is toasted. So our 5 minutes are up on this side. We're gonna flip her. And we're gonna do 5 minutes on this side, guys. Always make sure that your chicken is cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. That's when it's safe to eat, okay? Okay, so guys, as always, we will be transparent with you. Pan searing was not working to get up to temperatures we wanted it to.
Correct.
So we put it in the oven, 400 degrees, 10 minutes.
And that's fine, that's just a cooking technique.
Taking our chicken breast, we're putting it in this bowl. Buffalo sauce, I'm putting it in this right here because we want our chicken breast fully coated in the buffalo sauce. All right, so we're coming back to the pan.
Now we're gonna put some slices of pepper jack cheese. Delicious, we love this cheese.
Oh, so good. We're gonna put the top on this just until we see the cheese has melted over our chicken, guys. So our chicken is done, guys. So let's put it together, shall we? Take your toasted bread, toast it side down. On both sides of your bread, take your ranch dressing that we just made.
We have tomatoes and we have lettuce.
So first your chicken.
Now we're gonna do the lettuce.
Tomatoes. If you have leftover hot sauce, use it if you want to. It's up to you.
And let's finish by taking your bread, put it on top of it. Firmly press it. Okay guys, this recipe has 445 calories and 4 net carbs.
All right, so it's a good low carb, delicious recipe that you're not gonna be mad about. Shout out. Today's shout out, guys, is going to Echo Hill. Thank you for being so positive, so lovely, and always in our lives. We love you. We celebrate yo. Okay? All right, guys. This has been 3 Margaritas in Beyond the Shaker. Never ever forget, we love y'all.